Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we focus on creating stylish, practical, and wearable outfit ideas that feel comfortable while still looking polished and modern. In today's video, we are exploring a chic and relaxed combination featuring a glossy leather maxi skirt paired with a soft knit sweater styled perfectly for a weekend brunch setting. This outfit is ideal for women who want to look effortlessly put together without appearing overdressed. It blends the elegance of leather with the comfort of cozy texture. The flowing silhouette of the maxi skirt, combined with the relaxed structure of the sweater, create a balanced look that works beautifully for daytime gathering, casual meetup, and social outing, where comfort and style need to go hand in hand. Starting with the maxi skirt, this piece plays a central role in defining the overall look. Its length and glossy texture naturally draw attention while still maintaining a graceful and modest appearance. A well designed leather maxi skirt should move smoothly as you walk and should not feel stiff or restrictive, allowing you to sit and move comfortably during a brunch setting. The high waist design can help create a flattering shape, especially when paired correctly with upper layer, making the outfit look more structured and intentional rather than overly casual or loose. Now, focusing on the knit sweater, these elements soften the entire outfit, bring a sense of warmth and comfort that is perfect for a relaxed daytime event. A slightly oversized, relaxed sweater works best as it contrasts nicely with the sleek and polished texture of the leather skirt. You can style it by slightly tucking the front into the skirt to define the waistline, or you can leave it naturally draped for a more laid back feel depending on your personal comfort and the overall vibe you want to achieve. Footwear selection is very important in maintaining the balance of this outfit, especially since brunch events often involve walking, standing, or sitting for extended period of time. Ankle boots, low heel, or even stylish flat can work very well with this combination as long as they remain comfortable and match the relaxed yet polished tone of the outfit. These designs are totally game changer for your wardrobe. They are not only fashionable but also incredibly versatile whether you are going for a chic edgy look or a classy sophisticated vibe. These beautiful outfits have got you covered. I hope you friends really like this video. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. We will meet soon in another fashion guide. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep smiling. Keep supporting. Keep promoting my channel. Bye.